What we have achieved today was made possible because of Prime Minister Trudeau's willingness to partner with Inuit. ᕙကိᔅ ᓙကိᔅ사ᓚᓅᒃ ᓐᕗ닉 ikaᔅ ᓏ
It's great to be back in Iqaluit with some terrific news. But let's be honest, this is a very special trip. Later today, I'll be traveling to Arctic Bay to meet with Inuit communities who have cared for this unique region of the globe for generations. Inuit communities have long advocated for the Government of Canada to act and help safeguard the places they hold dear. So today, our government is once again stepping up. In partnership with the Qikiqtani Inuit Association and the government of Nunavut, we're finalizing the establishment of the Tallurutiup Imanga National Marine Conservation Area in the Eastern Arctic. And we're taking key first steps towards the creation of the Tuvaijuittuq Marine Protected Area.
Asualo upigusukka mauddume tikimman piluanguattumiimmin mikididattaaga matana akune innunnu tautuaqajaulautu tikimman quviana taana qannu innu pimmariugijanginnu tikitauatta udlume ă���ᕉnertauninga quyalittiappunga assualullu mikididunga tamanna pideriarirunnarsiniallermigattigu tamanna tabbuuna taana pigiaqutigimaqqaugakku innu ajungittarpun taana tautuqarissuyartanga tikippung. First off, I am very humbled to be standing here with you all here today to represent generations of Inuit who worked hard to protect the waters and the multi-year of Tallurutiup Imanga and ത്തുᕙ이ᔫꯏթtuᕐ. I stand tall because I stand with visionary leaders like John Ămᵉ, who's here with us today, and visionary leaders like Larry Audlalu, who couldn't be here, who is in Grise Fjord right now. But the many, many elders that aren't here, such as ᓴḵᒻᒻᒥᔾ, who saw and wanted a bold action of conserving Tallurutiup and Tuvaijuittuq, and takwa quyaligutigiyakka tabbanigutigikattigum. The work of Inuit to protect our waters began in the 1960s and the 1970s. Today's announcement to establish Tallurutiup Imanga National Marine Conservation Area and the interim protection of ത്തുᕙ이ᔫꯏթtuᕐ Marine Protected Area is a culmination of decades of work for Inuit to realize a collective dream. These investments make it possible for Inuit to safely harvest food for our families and our communities.
It's good news for all the communities that are going to benefit, but it won't be just the communities that benefit too. It's going to have a ripple effect for all of Nunavut, and for that, all of Canada. I want people to understand in Canada that when something happens in Nunavut, it doesn't just benefit Nunavut, it benefits all of Canada.
The ideas about how to go beyond land claim agreements and work with provinces, territories, and the federal government, but in doing so in partnership and breaking down departmental barriers, and also barriers in understanding from a non-Inuit view into an Inuit view, I think are some of the key amazing successes that are embedded within Tallurutiup Imanga and this announcement today.
뚜ᓙcyuq ăᓏᕈ티니akto teemanna upigusukkannernerto asuilaang angunnasuktiuqattaqtun Inuit piqqusituqamina atoqtun укпериаулитаиннаққуйун қувианна тееманнатавва Inuit таутугақарауқтун таанна сивуллеқпаарнгунниарасугиягари уванга тееманнаматуерсикканнермат Qikiqtani Inuit катужеқатигингин нериунгнарсикканнерпу инууллута қаннор Inuit пеққуссинга саққикканнерниарманга қуяннами